guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make fried chicken flats, and a huge thank you to my daddy for helping me make this video. Alright guys, let's get started. They are called flats because it's the flat part of a chicken wing. The other two parts of wing are the drumstick and the tip. So there are three parts of a wing drum, flat and tip. Today was refrying the flat. First, we rinse the flats with cold water. This is actually already previously rinsed and dried. Hot dry chicken. Now that you're done drying your chicken with paper towel, you're gonna add your seasonings. You will add salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika powder. Then black pepper. Now that your chicken is seasoned, set aside. Add half a cup of Golden Fiesta palm oil in the pan. Now set up dredging station. A dredging station consists of 2 beaten eggs, cornstarch, breadcrumbs, before you use the breadcrumbs, you need to season it with paprika powder, pepper, and salt. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, and 1 tablespoon of pepper into your breadcrumbs. Then last, add paprika powder 1 tablespoon into your breadcrumbs. Now mix them together. My dredging station is already set up. You have to put your fire on medium-low. Make sure that your Golden Fiesta palm oil is hot. First, you put your chicken and the eggs on both sides. It should be covered with egg. And then you shake off the excess egg. Then you go to the cornstarch. You need to press down on both sides. And then shake off the excess. Then you go back to the egg. Then on both sides, it should be covered with egg. And then you shake off the excess. Then you go to the breadcrumbs, press down on both sides. Then you put it to your pan. Now I'm turning my chicken. Wait until the other side is also cooked. Now I'm removing my chicken and putting it on the plate. To carefully put it on the plate on the paper towels. And lastly, sprinkle your chicken with salt and garlic powder. Now the garlic powder. And that concludes me making fried chicken flats. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below what are the other videos you guys want me to make. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! And also a huge shout out to Angie_the dancer.